morning. Welcome to our program. This is Mugdha and anchor of this program. Now I will teach you how to make a table lamp with our home ingredients. It's very easy to collect these ingredients. At first, I am giving you the elements name. At first, here you can see our PVC pipe. You need 3 of PVC pipe must to make a table lamp, and you need a screw of 2 inches about 9. You need screw of half inches about 9, and you need 2 mugs. Here you can see 2 mugs, and you need a holder. You need a holder. You need a cable about you need a light, what is very important for this lamp, and you need scotch tape, and you need and I'm describing how to make a table lamp. At first, in the big mug, at the handle of the mug, we should you will have to connect or set the PVC pipe with the 2-inch screw, and at the hole of the PVC pipe you need to get access the small PVC pipe. When you access the small PVC pipe, you will have to set another PVC pipe with a screw, and with another PVC pipe you will have to connect or set the PVC pipe here on the handle of another mug, and you now you will have to access the cables on the whole of the PVC pipe, and it will be very easier for you. And then you will have to make a hole like this. You will have to make a hole and get access the cable onto the mug, and you will have to set the holder into the mug, and the holder set, and you will have to, here you can see the plug. It is prepared. You will have to prepare this by tester, and it's afterward. And here is a light. I am using the LED light. You can use any kind of light. And here I am getting access and setting the LED light. Here you can see it's set perfectly. It's a laser activity, you know that. In laser time you can do it. It's not you need only 1 hour to make this, and you can design it with many colorful papers, rings, and it will look more very beautiful. If you want to buy a table lamp in low quality, its also price is 1500 taka, but you can make this table lamp only you can make this table lamp only spending your money taka 150 to 200. It's very good for us. And you can see now I am setting the plug onto the very carefully. It's very risky. Here you can see our lamp is working very beautifully. Your children can use this in reading at night, and it's very useful. And here you can see the small PVC pipes work. You can move around the PVC pipe. It will be more useful for you. And that's all.